Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to use the Holocaust Survivors and Victims database. So this would be a good tool if you're looking for a specific person's testimony or story, or if you're just generally looking for testimonies and stories for book research, for a project, or for a paper. So you go to this link and it takes you to the database. Now, you can either search for names or you could search for lists. Register in the Survivor Registry or see what's new. So if I already kind of know who I'm looking for, let's say I'm looking for this last name. So I'm going to search and I'm looking for Ellie as the first name. He's very famous, but it gives me 859 searches with the last name Wiesel. So this is a lot of people to go through. Now, if I was just looking for, let's say, Henrik, this database gives me the sex, date of birth, place of birth, mother's name, and a lot of different information so that we can have a little background. Now, if I'm looking for a specific person, let's say I'm looking for Ellie. Now I'm going to put exact search because that's what I want. I don't want a fuzzy search at all. So we search, and then here he is. So both of these are the person that I want, and it looks like we have a oral history that I can look into. We have his date of birth, and this is a video of him so that we can watch his video and get a little bit more information on him. So this is a really good database to be able to find videos, also to be able to find general information about certain people that you're looking for.